this low. You come over and we start a fight. Never know who's wrong or right. Feel nothing when you go. I know it's not intelligent, drinking for the hell of it, but that's irrelevant now. We should talk about us. How come we're holding on? Was really I don't see the benefits now. When you've broken my trust, so I just wonder, why do I fall back to you? Really nothing I can do about it. Why do I fall back to you?
Hi everyone, my name is Mandy. Welcome to my channel. It is Sunday. It's actually Halloween today, and since it's the end of October, I thought why not do a plan with me video, why not vlog this Sunday. So here we are. I have 1.5 months until my third semester is over. So it is pretty much crunch time for me. I have a couple more modules to finish up in the time, and it's difficult, not gonna lie. A lot of things are going on right now, so I just really need to be on top of my time management, which is why I decided to do a little planning at the beginning of the month and take you guys along with me, I guess. I already have written things down in my planner right here, and basically I have a monthly spread out right here, and I'm gonna show you close up. And what we're gonna do now is put all of the dates that are already in here onto my Google Planner, in order to also have it on my phone and my laptop and stuff. And yeah, so that is the current plan, and let's just do that and then I'll talk again. So yeah, I'm gonna do that now and be right back. So I put the dates from here onto my Google Calendar, and I'm kind of trying to figure out when would be the best day for me to write an exam right now. I have one on Wednesday, and here I have quite a lot of work, so it would be good for me to either write an exam on the 21st or on the 28th. So I need to finish at least 2 modules this month, preferably 3. So I have personality psychology on Wednesday, and then I have like concepts of psychology, and I have to finish up the public relations course. So those are the things I want to focus on this month. And each Friday I have a Spanish course at a community college. So that's in yellow right here, and I have it in like purple right there. So that is the plan. And And I think what I'm gonna do next is kind of figure out what videos I would like to put up. Figure out what kind of videos I might wanna film this month. I don't really think I'm gonna do a lot of Christmas videos because I'm not really in any kind of holiday spirit. But I think what I want to do is go more into book reviews, book videos, and maybe do some fashion videos, and also do a decorate with me for the holiday season. So that's it, I think. But I'm gonna write down some ideas and put them right there. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Just a couple of ideas and see when I can film them. Hopefully I can get it done with. So yeah, I think, put it down here, I would like to do a book review video on maybe like romance, like TikTok made me buy the book video. I don't know. Then definitely a decorate me Christmas edition. Winter outfit ideas. So I wrote a couple of ideas down, and I'm gonna try to figure out when to post them, and hopefully get around doing that now and check back in later. Okay, so I made a little overview of the videos I want to upload on Sundays and maybe upload on Wednesdays. And I think that this is all I'm gonna do for my planning for the upcoming month, because I don't know, I feel like something can always change, but this is the overall overview of it. And by the way, I put all of my work dates with blue highlight. I did the Spanish course in yellow. Appointments I have in this like coral color, and exams I will have in this really bright pink, a bright coral color. And yeah, that is my month. Okay, it is 6 p.m. and I didn't do anything for the remainder of the day. I'm gonna take a shower, tidy up around here a bit, and then go to bed early, I guess. But yeah, that's it for this video. I look like an absolute train wreck, I'm really sorry. But subscribe if you haven't already, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye!